Hello everyone, welcome back to MaxMu. I'm Max, and today I'm going to show you a hidden setting in Google Chrome that's likely eating up gigabytes of your phone's internal memory. Have you ever wondered why your storage is always full, even if you don't download games or many photos? The culprit is often hidden deep inside your browser. After watching this, please check your phone and leave a comment below telling me exactly how much memory you managed to clear. Here is the secret setting. Open your Google Chrome browser and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Then scroll down to Site Settings. From there, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Stored Data. Pay close attention here. This list shows every website you have ever visited. Every site stores cache and data that piles up endlessly. I've seen smartphones with 100 to 300 megabytes of junk hidden in here. Simply tap on Delete All Data. As you can see, I have a few megabytes to clean up. But if you've never been here, you'll be surprised at how much space you can recover. One quick tip, clearing this data will free up a massive amount of space and stop your phone from lagging, but it might log you out of some websites. All you need to do is log back in once, and you're good to go. A cleaner memory means a faster, smoother smartphone experience. Go ahead, clear those gigabytes, and don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can speed up their phones too. Thanks for watching MaxMeW. I'm Max. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.